All right, folks, Wilson Creek, -4.8, -5. We're not sure what to do. We've got water in the river. It's been a long time. It's been a long drought. I was sadly unable to get up for all the fun over the weekend. I had a bunch of family stuff going on, but there's the river. It's sleeting, raining, snowing. It's doing a little bit of everything this morning, but we're gonna come on, get some laps because the Go Fast Day is February 3rd. And we're getting ready to go fast. Got the RMX this year. I expect a little more water than last year. And it's a faster boat, and let's go dial this in. Y'all doing all right?
Doing great.
What's your name?
Wetter. I'm Duece.
Yeah, Wetter, that's who it is. We're like, we saw that guy. What's his name? What was your name?
I'm Duece. I was Matt.
Okay, Matt, gotcha.
Everybody calls me Duece because he's also Matt. You know, getting close.
Gotcha, gotcha. Boom. Y'all going on down?
No, we were going to just do the upper one today.
Okay.
I had just recently met both Matts at the New Year's Day paddle on the French Broad. Now when I asked them if they were going to the bottom and they said no, it was like offering a kid some candy, and they knew they were supposed to be polite and say no, but they really wanted that candy. So without too much convincing, we had a party of 4.
122 to be exact.
Yeah. Have y'all ever been down it? Gotcha. There you go. So I don't have a truck at the bottom.
So instead of practicing race lines, Adam and I made a couple new friends. And boating with new friends is always better than practicing.
Missed it! I overshot it. Yeah, so there's not much rock to spin on.
Rule number 1, never enter a hole sideways.
Make sure to square up on the ledge hole at the bottom. This one, see the hump on the right? That's the straight shot unless you want to catch the eddy on the left. You good? Straight over the hump. This way, this way. Oh, yeah. Ew. So this is rock spin over here. If you want the rock spin, it's definitely in today.
Rule number 1, always look cool when showing someone down a river.
Very nice. Oh yeah. You're in that back edge. Yeah. You've been in a Jefe Grande too long. Nice. You see that kind of slab looking rock? Try to go left of that rock. Right, you can sometimes get through, sometimes it wants to you kind of stick in there. It's not dangerous, but you just get stuck. You can drive up on the rock if you want, and then slide off the left side. Right where Adam went. Very nice. This is Little Woodall, so just be on the right. Then a little nothing ledge.
Nothing ledge, nothing ledge.
And then we'll be at Mank above.
Rule number 1. Always look cool when showing someone down a river.
Perfect. Water shot, paddle trip.
Rule number 1. Know when not to copy the guy showing you down the river.
Like him. How's his roll? You got it. Sea rescue. Yeah, meaningless ledge. I paid the price for that one.
That'll let you anywhere.
Yeah, no doubt. I was underwater saying, what am I doing? You just gotta laugh. You could literally draw up a list of all the rapids on this river that A, I wouldn't flip in, and B, you wouldn't swim in, and that's number 1. No one's gonna have trouble there. Yep, that was it. Perfect. There you go. Nice. Very nice. Entrance. So this is just like this level's gonna be like Rowdy Boogie, but that knob we're gonna boof off of it with the left stroke boof, and you want to land kind of like 1 o'clock, and then just go on down through everything. You might even be a little further right of that, what he just did.
Rule number 1. When leading out on a more difficult rapid, always be sure to inspire confidence in those that follow. Nailed it.
Let's let him clear it. That looked really good. I'm gonna get in this eddy. You can keep going. This is No Name. We want to shoot over there and go off the left side. So stay about a foot or two to the right of that little wet knob, and then take a late stroke at the bottom. Right or left, doesn't matter. Right stroke, keep you out of the hole a little better if you're heading that way. Perfect. I'll go. Nice. Nice. This is piton ledge. Left or right, but not middle. It'll knock your teeth out.
Rule number 1, always ignore all the beta and head straight for the piton.
Right in the middle. Woo! That was close. That was close. Dead middle. You almost found it.
Close there.
Yeah, it's about 4 feet wide. It's a big piece of rock down there.
Yeah.
Boat Buster Thunder Hole. You familiar? Be a big square rock on the right side of the river. Just be about If you want the boof line, which I suggest at this level, just be about 2 feet off that square rock, kind of as far as you can go to the right. And all you gotta do is just, you don't even have to take a stroke. When you go over there, just don't mess it up. The boat will do it for you. So maybe lift your knees and crunch, but you'll go down like a foot or two, and then you'll hit the boof flake. So at that point, lift your knees and crunch and take a stroke at the bottom, and probably just carry all the way through Thunderhole. And then we'll let you up there.
Rule number 1, always look cool when showing someone down a river.
There you go. Try to get. Woo, drag it left. Just straight through all this. Nice. That's the sneak boot. Stay in the middle through this channel. Right down the middle of all that. Right down the middle. This is bedrock. You're gonna want to run it on the left. Stroke. There it is. That's the spot, not the hole. He went dead through the middle of it. I was like, oh gosh. That gets really sticky as the water comes up. Yeah. But like from there to there, it's hard to get out of. The further left you get, that's where all the outflow is. If you could play a little bit on that side, but if you mess it up, you kind of get stuck in the pocket. A big right stroke is what you needed. Oh, rock robbed. Oh well. Triple drop.
That was a good recovery there.
Oh yeah.
We had a rock splat at the wall right there.
This is everybody's favorite rapid. The smoothest line is the very middle line. And Adam, you want to lead it? So it's either round rock, and then you have the other round rock, the big one, and the little tiny barely visible pyramid. We're falling off of it just to the left of that, and then just work it out from there.
Rule number 1. When leading out on a more difficult rapid, always be sure to inspire confidence in those that follow. Nailed it.
So this is Maytag, just kind of square up on it on the right side, and then a left stroke. And then as many other strokes as needed to keep going right. Nice, nice.
Rule number 1. Never enter a hole sideways.
Yeah, woo! A little more square on that landing. The wrong hole would have got you.
The wrong hole would have got you. The wrong hole would have got you.
If you're hitting it sideways at all, the wrong hole is gonna be like, let's play!
Rule number 1. Never enter a hole sideways.
Woo, there it is. You're in it.
Rule number 1. If you do enter a hole sideways, always lean downstream.
Keep going, keep coming, keep coming. Rolling. Hey, kick your boat away. Switch. Feet with you, Adam. Couldn't get it. You don't want to stop. There are bags in that thing? Careful, you're a razorback. Careful. It's one of those things. It's kind of stuck. I don't know if I can get to it though. Maybe. Nope, not stuck anymore. Is it? Well, it might stay there. Gonna be heavy. Can you tow it to him? I got one.
Think it'll go today?
Probably. You got a carabiner on you? All right, you know, just to pull loose if it gets weird.
You want?
Pull loose if it all gets weird.
All right.
All right.
Rule number 1. Never enter the river above a major rapid before your legs are in the boat and your skirt is on.
Oh boy! Turn and run! Turn and go! Come on, come on, come on! Oh, you're the best! Oh, that was awesome! Well, here we are. Fancy meeting you here.
Don't do that at home, kids.
That was awesome. You had a distinct look about you. I don't want to be here. I'm not having fun.
Please tell me you got that.
If that ever happens again, just turn and run it.
Yeah.
You'll make it to the end before it's a big problem. So that's the fire escape. It's kind of on, but I would probably still recommend just the right line. So I'm gonna push you back up in here if you're good with that. Then you can slide back to the eddy. You ready? I got you. Now we're all back in the game. Whee! Awesome. So you broke your front grab handle. You saw that? Yeah. Don't grab for it later and cut your hand. All right, so you know the line. You need a minute? So we're just gonna bob down. Don't get too far right. Don't get too far left. Just kind of be angled a little left off the last little lip. And then figure out the bottom can get a little crazy where the two currents meet back again. No big deal. Woo! Yeah! Nice, keep paddling, paddle, paddle, paddle. Nice! Splat! Probably left of the dry rock today.
What?
Just the straight line left.
I think so.
Yeah. Send it, let's see what it happens. See what happens to him. Oh yeah, that's the line today. He's going a different line. Oh baby, do something. Go, go, keep go, go, go. You got it, you got it, you got it. Yeah. You got it, baby. Oh, the hero, Eddie. Schoolhouse Rock! Oh! Woo! Nice! That was pretty.
If you hug that rock, I think that's the line.
Hugging the rock.
Yeah. Take a little drive by and tell me what you think. Hug the rock with the left wheel stroke.
I'd maybe be off of it about 2 feet.
Really?
So you can catch the current to start moving again.
So go to the left of that little rooster.
Yeah, go about 2 feet off that dry rock.
I don't like that.
You don't like it?
No.
Let's see what happens.
That looks like you're just waiting for me to come right into the ledge.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Hey, 3 feet out, 1 more foot. You didn't do it. You got practice that race lap. Yeah, see, I still like bottom into the slush water. If you can get out into the fast moving water and just pick your left edge up, then you start borrowing all that speed immediately. I almost got flushed too far right. Boom. Oh, y'all messed up. You didn't watch the River Kings video. The race winning move. Right there. Oh, yeah. Y'all don't have a prayer. Come on, you can do it. You can beat me to this rock. Don't give up, Adam.
Oh, whoops,
I win. Oh, I love it.
Whew,
That was
that was
fun.
awesome, guys.
Right on.
Thank you.
A little extracurricular fun too. I'm not gonna lie, my fingers are a little cold. I started thinking about James Burleson's little gloves he pulls out for rescues. In winter, he just pulls out a big pair of neoprenes.
Yeah.
So he can.
Hey, I never thought about doing that.
Yeah, he showed it. I was like, hey, all right.
Really
And today I was like, ooh, that sounds like a pretty good idea right now. Good stuff, fellas.
How you feel, Duece? Wonderful. Good. Congratulations on your first time.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, man.
First time.
I never really want to have a yard sale.
Bad news is you didn't break Kevin's swim record.
No, that was what, 13?
13.
Yeah, good, right? And I thought, like, I swam in the places you didn't think I'd swim. And
Yep.
can find where
What happened on the last one? I'm trying to remember.
that ledge, I dropped down and do it sideways.
Yeah, right after I
And then I
said,
gave up my
hey,
edge.
square up on the
Square up,
face.
yeah.
Right ledge get you. Thump, blah, 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 blah. I was like, there it is.
I was like, that was good.
You were out of the hole. As soon as you go up in this level, as soon as you're upside down, you flush. So the secret is to learning that the best way to do this is go to the NOC play hole where all the play boaters go. Just take your boat in there, any boat, and try to surf until you go upside down, and then just count to like 10. And it'll get calmer and calmer. Then you just roll up, because where you were, you could roll, but I don't know if you knew you were out. I'm glad it didn't go over Razorback. That one's hard on boats.
I'm glad I didn't go over Razorback too.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't go. He slid down skirt. I was like, just run it.
Like, what is it doing? Running fire escape?
You could just run it, but it didn't feel right. My skirt's not on! I don't want to be here! Please grab me! Now that you have me, don't let go!
Don't let go, Jack.
I made a horrible mistake. Please help.
Titanic. Jack, don't let go!
At least I didn't have to hand paddle it down, right?
That's right.
After this lap, I'm not sure whether Adam and I felt better or worse about the upcoming race. But we made 2 new friends, and we had a ball. And that beats practice any day.